Well, you know, we're gonna take good pictures, and this is Dr. Legacy, who's going to be injecting my scalp, and that's my serum that they drew blood on me. See right there, they drew blood on me, and we're doing a what are we doing?
Platelet-rich fibrin for hair loss.
Okay, so there you go. And she has an assistant, and I'm going to pause this and give her the camera so she can video what we're doing.
Okay, so right now I'm just kind of looking through the scalp, putting a little alcohol on it to clean the skin, and then I'm just going to take doctor's plasma here and like sprinkle it all throughout the scalp with little injections. Very small needle.
How small?
30 gauge.
Oh, it's pretty small.
Yeah. For Botox we use 32.
Really?
Smaller.
Oh, wow.
I don't know if I could get the plasma to do that. So we're going to do the first injections up here at the frontal hairline.
Okay.
And you're just going to feel a tap for distraction. And that's what it feels like.
It's just like a dull ache, sort of like if someone clunked you on the head with something.
It's the pressure from the fluid. That's probably what that dull ache is.
Yeah.
This one's
So you think I should start doing this at my office too?
I do. Well, it's you know, regenerative, it's natural, it's got many uses. We put it in tear troughs, we put it into scars.
Really?
Yeah, we do a lot with it. We microneedle it into the skin for complexion. So yeah, it's not terrible. Takes a little patience. We have a little like vibrator that can distract a little bit, but sometimes this is better. What do you think?
Who, me?
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad. It's just like it's not sharp. It's almost like a dull dull ache.
I think that's just the fluid being close to the scalp.
Yeah.
Just taps.
Yeah, I know what everyone's thinking out there who's watching this video. Why in God's name is he doing this? There's tons of hair back there, or up there. Well, I want more. I want it all. So I'm doing it.
Well, you lost a little, so you're trying to just encourage healthy regrowth.
Yeah.
You know?
I lost a ton of hair with COVID, which a lot of people out there did.
So this just gives your scalp the opportunity to regrow nice thick hair.
Right.
You know? And you will notice people who are still shedding will get less shedding. And then you'll start to see a lot of new hairs. Come back this way. There's just like little bumps. Can't really see much, but
Oh, you mean the little bumps you're making from the injection?
yeah, they look like little mosquito bites. You know, because the fluid.
Right.
It's a thick plasma too.
So do I have to do anything afterwards with this? Like, don't have to be careful about anything?
No.
Okay. And then,
It's in there.
so for people that want this done, how often should they have it done? Or how many times do they have to have it done? Like this is, I mean, people aren't going to want to do this forever, obviously,
Right.
but in general.
So I recommend a series of 4 treatments at the start, and then if they see a benefit, every 6 months. I can't say that anybody doesn't see a benefit. I think almost everybody sees a benefit. There are different types of hair loss though, so some types of hair loss won't be cured by this method.
Right. How about alopecia?
Turn your head down a little bit for me.
Got that?
So I'm not using it for alopecia areata, traditional alopecia areata. Alopecia, the stress-induced, like chronic telogen effluvium, or the post-viral, post-pregnancy, that kind of stuff it helps with. Obviously, if there's an underlying condition like your thyroid or your iron or your B12, if one of those is low, you got to
Sure.
fix that first.
Well, yeah, there's so many things we try to fix first. I mean, this wouldn't be the first thing you would do on something.
Nope, you got to check all the other things first. And then if there is a hormonal component, doing hormone blockers right at the follicle help too.
Right, like that serum we were talking about.
That compound, yep.
Yeah.
Jamie, you're on that too, right?
The hair stem.
All right, put your head just a little bit forward for me. I just want to get
like
back
this?
here a little bit. Yep. I can put. Is that okay?
Okay.
I need to put your head on something though.
Or you know what? You could lower me down, and then I could sit. I could sit back farther. Think that would work?
Oh yeah.
I'm still alive.
Doing good. Doing great.
I just have a few more pokes.
Okay. And then like that.
Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah,
Just for a few
that's fine.
pokes.
Yeah, that's fine.
And I'm kind of just focusing on the areas that are
Yeah.
you notice the
Right.
most.
Yeah. So for my hair, I just lost it, was losing it on top, and it's growing slower on the top.
That's where most men notice it.
Is he doing
first.
any orals?
But there's not much back.
Oh yeah, he is actually.
Minoxidil? Or
You can kind of feel where you've placed it, so just trying to make sure I get it everywhere.
okay.
All right, that's it.
All set.
So how many would you say you did?
You
How many
did
How
injections?
many injections?
Yeah.
80
Roughly,
to
ballpark.
100 maybe?
Yeah.
No, you didn't do that many. Did you really?
Yeah, it feels like it. I
Wow.
mean,
Okay.
okay,
Well-
50.
You did great.
About 50.
Hold on. So no, we're good.
Okay.
All right. Take care.
All right.